Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1967 Ford Mustang GTA. Wicked cool car, hard car for me to get my hands on, guys. These are highly sought after. I have to see that. It's just, sorry, got a little drip. Highly sought after car. These are hard for me to get my hands on, guys. I actually traded for this car with a gentleman's local. Super cool car. Car came, according to Marti Report, it went to Oregon, I think, new. And then I think it spent, Paul said, I think it spent some time in Colorado. And I believe the article he gave me, I think he bought the car in Arizona. But neat car. Again, very hard car for me to find. This is a factory S-Code 390 GTA car. Of course, it's a fastback. It's the one that everybody wants. Finish, this is the original color, which is springtime yellow. I love the wheels and tires he did. He also changed the front suspension on this car, went with an aftermarket front suspension. But I have the original front suspension. Original alternator for the car. I've got a bunch of original parts for the car that go with it. Car has been repainted. Again, this is the original color. Just a very, very nice car, guys. 69,000 original miles. There is a paper trail with it too, so that you can see that the miles are correct. He gave me all that. He added the scoop. I'm not a big fan of that, to be honest with you, but hey, that's what makes hot rodding hot rodding. Everybody's a little different. Chrome and stainless is really nice. Glass is nice. Car runs and drives sweet as can be. I can't tell you I put really much for miles on it. Loading it was a blast. The day we did the swap was nothing but ice and snow, and his driveway was a slip and slide, so that was a little bit of a challenge. But yeah, good car. Really neat car. It's got the fold-down rear seat in there. Just a super cool car. Nice and straight down the sides. It's got Michelin ZR rated pilots all the way around it. For my money, I think the best tire going right there. Again, it's got the 17-inch Shelby style wheels with the spinner cap. You can see it's got the little dual chrome tips on the exhaust. Very cool car. Front disc brakes. It has the street and track front suspension on it, which has got the adjustable coilovers and everything. You can see that from the underneath. All that stuff is really brand new. Really tightens the car up, I will tell you that. But I do have the stock suspension. That stuff goes with it if you want it. You can see it's a factory. He says this is the original engine, S-Code 390, 320 horsepower, factory intake, 4-barrel, stock exhaust manifolds. He changed the original alternator, put a new alternator, or the original alternator in the box. It's got the Ford Motor Company radiator on it, power steering, again, power front disc brakes, got the chrome air cleaner, chrome valve covers. It has C6 automatic transmission. Original VIN is still on the apron here too. Great car. Just Very nice A-pillar chrome. You can pick it a little bit, but man, very nice. Original mirror. This is a remote mirror. It works. I'm gonna guess those are new. Looks like new door rubbers. There's your door tag. Nice clean door sills. Car came factory with the machined, like the dash, the machined door pads. I have those. He gave me those, but we replaced them. They just went to these. The factory would have the machined door pads on there. I think he said this is the original interior. It came factory with a console. We do have that. Of course, that's a fold down rear seat. And it's got the overhead console. Steering wheel looks great. Look how nice the dash is. 6946, again, that is the original miles. Look how clean the gauges are. AM radio works, dash pads nice and clean. It has the original owner's manuals and the manual in the glove box. It's got an H-pipe dual exhaust system on it. Again, 300 factory rear end. Nothing big there. You see we have jacks here. Yeah, just some little dust, guys, sorry. We're dodging raindrops and snow and ice off this week, so of course I'm leaving, and so we're trying to get stuff done. But Marti Report, there's a couple of titles that kind of trace the mileage. Hopefully I don't pick that out. Fold down rear seat. Very, very cool car. Clean underneath. Floors really look all original. Just a nice clean car. Looks like it's got all the seat belts in it. A little split there in that seat. Again, look how nice that dash is. Have Nathan here fired up. You can see it's got the original Ford glass. Scratches in it. Again, runs and drives just as sweet as can be. That's just a great car right there, guys. Fuel gauge works. I think all the gauges are working. I don't think the clock does not work. Holding good oil pressure. I think all the interior lights work. Great sound. Radio works, blower motor works. Doors open and close nice. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Check out our new TikTok page. Nathan runs that. Or as always, man, pick up the phone and give us a call at 248-620-3355. Again, subscribe to our YouTube page. Make sure you do that. Click the little button there at the bottom. That way we get a notification every time I post a new video. Have a great day, guys.